The second week of the 2024 Dakar Rally started with another demanding stage and no good news for Team Audi Sport. Mattias Ekström and Emil Bergkvist came to a halt just 47 kilometers into today's stage with a technical issue at the left rear suspension of their Audi RSQ e-tron. Stefan Peter-Hansel and Edouard Boulanger stopped and tried to help their teammates, but eventually the two Swedes had to wait for the arrival of the team's race truck to repair the damage, losing almost 4 hours. Carlos Sainz and Cruz defended their lead in the overall standings of the 2024 Dakar Rally despite a puncture and losing 10 minutes and 31 seconds to stage winner Sebastian Loeb.
It was very tricky navigation, very difficult to find the way. We suffer quite a lot. We have to go back in a couple of places to find the waypoints, and I don't know, very difficult navigation for me. Then we have a slow puncture, we need to stop. But Seb really make really good job because opening the road and that speed and with the navigation so difficult.
Stefan Peter-Hansel and Edouard Boulanger lost 40 minutes today when they tried to help their teammates. They thus finished the stage outside the top 20.
We start on the dirt this morning, and after I think 50 kilometers we start with Mattias to check if we can help to give him some helps, but it was at the end to give the part that he needed. It was too long. It was probably 2 hours to take from our car to give him, so we just give him some tools, some rackets, and we leave after 20-25 minutes because it was not possible to do something.
Carlos Sainz and Cruz missed another stage podium today in P4 by less than a minute despite their puncture. Stefan Peter-Hansel and Edouard Boulanger sacrificed their own result when they tried to help their teammates. And a huge disappointment for Mattias Ekström and Emil Bergkvist, who lost their second place in the overall standings. The hopes of Team Audi Sport now rest solely on Carlos Sainz and Cruz, who are leading Sebastian Loeb by 19 minutes with 5 stages to go.